subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you haven't seen my last video, please give a watch. Even native English speakers have trouble communicating sometimes. Problems in communication happen when the connection is lost between a speaker and a listener. Sometimes speaker does not express him or herself clearly enough. There are ways to prevent communication errors as both speakers and listeners. All you have to do is remember 3 very important rules of communicating. Say what you mean, ask questions, listen. Number 1. Keep talking. The problem: you may have trouble speaking fluently if you are unsure of your grammar or vocabulary. However, stopping a lot when you talk can make it difficult for people to focus on what you are saying. The solution: know your filler phrases. Filler phrases are phrases that act like placeholder in a sentence. They fill in silence so that your speech is not interrupted. Some examples of filler phrases are you know, to be honest, actually. Don't overuse them. Number 2. Find a good speaking rhythm. The problem: if you try to speak too fast, your words don't come out right. But if you try to slow down, you have trouble focusing. The solution: you need to work on your speaking rhythm or the speed and sound of your speaking. Finding your perfect speaking rhythm will really help you to improve your fluency. A good speaking pace is comfortable for you and the listener, keeps you focused, and give you enough time to think through what you want to say. Say the sentence slowly, then again faster and again. Once you reach a speed that is too fast, slow back down. Repeat this few days and soon you will find the perfect speed. Number 3. Watch your body language. The problem: you are saying something, but your body is saying something different. The solution: you might not know this, but your body speaks almost as loudly as you. The way you sit, the way you hold your hands, even which direction you look at, all these things can change the meaning of words you speak. For example, if you tell someone you could love to have lunch with them, but your arms are crossed and you are not smiling, they might think that you don't actually want to do it. Number 4. Practice empathy. The problem: you understand the words someone is saying, but you don't understand why they said it, or maybe you even disagree with it. The solution: imagine that you hate the cold weather. You mention this in conversation to someone, and they exclaim that they love cold weather. You know that you heard that word right, but it just does not make sense to you. What you need is empathy. Empathy is ability to understand what someone else feels, and it's an important part of communication in any language. Showing empathy is important for listening well. You can't just listen to a person's word. You need to understand what they are saying and try to understand what they mean. Number 5. Maintain a positive attitude and smile. Even when you are speaking on the phone, smile, because your positive attitude will shine through and the other person will also know it. When you smile often and execute a positive attitude, people will respond positively to you. Also, make an eye contact when communicating. Focusing your eyes help you concentrate. When you fail to make eye contact with your listeners, you look less confident.